Hi guys, I am Siddhi.
Hi everybody, I am Akshita and thank you so much for watching us and welcome back to our channel. Also wishing everyone you out there a very
Happy New Year. So to kickstart this new year, we are back with a video which is all about vision boards. So what exactly are vision boards?
Vision boards are something that helps you focus on how you want to feel. It's about creating a personal space that actually determines or actually showcases what you actually want and also brings it to life.
So to know more about vision boards, let's just keep on watching.
So what exactly do you need to make a vision board?
You can use a cork board or a poster board, or if you don't find any of these, you can use a foam sheet which can be glued together with a cardboard, and this will make the base stronger. Also, this is easily available in any stationery.
And next up, you need all the stationery items such as pens, scissors, glue, magazines, cutouts, printouts, and all the stuff that you want to look at every day.
So how to make a vision board?
First and foremost, set the mood. Sit in a really cozy environment, put on some really great music and feel the positivity. And when it comes to putting stuff on your board, don't start pinning and gluing it already. First lay out the pictures, all the cutouts on the vision board, and when you feel that everything is in its right place, go on with it.
Right. Also decide your areas of focus. Like for us, it was our YouTube channel, health, happiness, travel, etc., which basically are our goals, and that's why we decided to put it on our board.
Yep.
And vision boards are not just about what you want to achieve in future, but they are also about achieving what we've already achieved and appreciating the fact that we've achieved it and the desire to want to achieve it over and over again. And the word count is so much.
Here's an example. We attended a YouTube event way back and it was an amazing space to be in because we met so many creators, and we are putting it on our vision board because we want to attend many such more events in the coming years.
Right, and Pinterest here is going to be your best friend when you need to find inspiration for your board. You can add in pictures, memoirs, quotes and whatnot, whatever you want to add onto the board. And it is not necessary that your vision remains the same throughout the year, so you can switch the images as and when you need on your vision board.
Lastly, the question that's been asked by everybody every time: do vision boards actually work?
Alright, so if you think vision boards are bogus, then the joke is on you, my friend, because they are proved to be 100% efficient, and we here are here to vouch for it because we've tried our hands at it and it 100% works, right? Yeah, it works wonders.
So when you see something every day, it sits at the back of your mind. Get that drive to actually work towards it and achieve it. So try making vision board this year. Keep it in a really good spot and look at it whenever you feel like, almost every day. And trust us, your 2018 is going to be amazing.
Also, we hope that you guys try your hands at your vision boards, and we want to see your vision boards.
Yes.
So make sure that you send them to us, the pictures to us, not the board. Send those pictures to us on our Facebook and Instagram, which will be linked down below. Also, if you liked this video, give us a big fat thumbs up and comment down below.
Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because Three Little Makers is our vision this year and we want you to help us achieve it. That's it for today. We'll see you next time.
Bye.